introducing our bird, chulo. It's a very interesting bird, to say the least. And now, Tomer, you should show them the other one. Deacon, the biting feather nemesis. There he is, up a closer look. You can get a closer look at chulo. And now Tomer's birds that he found on the playground at his school. Back to chulo over here, deciding if he wants to climb the rope, but deciding not to. He goes again, deciding if he wants to climb, thinking about it.
Chulo also climbs this. Yep, he just goes like this. Whoop, 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 whoop. I wish I could catch that on camera. Maybe if we leave, maybe if we come over here and you get out, come out, let's see if he climbs.
Like 2 minutes.
Go, why don't you climb, chulo?
What if I put him on the perch? Let me put him right there.
On the bottom?
Yeah, put him right there.
Why don't you do that? Ooh, I love his jammies.
You're in your jammies.
Oh my, this might not look as bad as yours.
Hey, time to climb. Come on.
Put him on like, just sit the perch on the ground.
No, just put it right here. Oh no, Deacon's
Whoa, Deacon!
Deacon?
Here he goes. Oh, get out of there.
I'm trying to. I'm scared of chulo.
Here he comes. Is he gonna climb? He's gonna climb. Oh, here he goes. The best part of a lifetime. And here is Chulo Davies.
Okay, switch to where?
And pull back. Here you go.
Yeah, go with chulo.
Ooh, refusing. Chulo, come, no. There's nothing you can. Very vigorous problem with our bird. And being a poo,
No.
one hand, only one, and coming, yeah! Look at Tamir's jammies, very bad jammies. Skeletons in a plane. What is
Help
going
me.
on right
Help
now?
me.
What?
Okay, we're just gonna
What's he doing?
down. I'm scared.
What are you doing?
He's climbing weirdly.
Doesn't matter, he's not gonna... Tomer!
No, chulo.
He's gonna climb it again.
Sigh.
Here, take this back. I'll put him down first. You do it. I'm not that good.
Come on. No, not that fast. No, you're coming up here. Come on, chulo. No, climb it. Come on.
Oh, good boy. Don't go up there. No.
No. That actually kind of helps.
Oh, you're okay.
And there you go. End it.